The role for me to do this job is obviously to turn an area at the moment which is unfunctional into something that we can actually have a shower in and use. We're going to have to make the walls waterproof and obviously installing the shower itself, testing and commissioning, installing waste and cold feed, etc.
It's really useful for us, so we obviously allow the students to use the main changing rooms, but as staff we've got nowhere really. If we needed to have a shower or get changed, so we're then reliant on either going back to the college or wait until we get home. So having this as a bit of more of a site for us is going to be massively beneficial.
Tape measure, bosh.
So we're going to put a 10mm twin and earth cable in, isolator, and because of the installation and what we've got here, we're going to be dropping on another subboard to make sure everything is all nice and safe.
It's just nice to do something for a young football club, isn't it? It's kids running around, doing a sport, getting out, they're clearing the mental health. You can't fault it, can you?
Oh yeah. That we're now going to be giving back, so somewhere for the officials can have a place where, let's face it, they run round, they're going to stink. So now they've got a place to get nice and clean.
I thought I'd just give you a quick explanation of why we're installing a Mira Azora electric shower. And as you can see here, we've got 2 pressurised cylinders. It's going to take a lot of energy to heat these tanks, okay? And the idea is that the shower can be used without these being heated. So electric shower just gives us that option of having constant hot water available for a shower regardless. Let's have a look. Nice.